I'm going to be singing you guys a lovely song called Hukilau Song. It's a song we sing in Hawaii if we're catching the fishes, so I thought I'd video this at the ocean. This is at, it's close to Ise, it's in Shima. I'm going to sing you guys this song, Hukilau Song. The song goes like this.